Hey you guys, it's bullheaded Brandy again. Nah, I'm doing another hair review. This time I'm doing it on my Gardenia Mastermix. It's 24, 26, and 28 inches in the color 1B. And this is some new hair out by Model. And it's supposed to be cheap hair, similar to good hair. It's 330 grams of hair. And it says supposed to mimic the look and feel of human hair. Supposed to be bouncy, beautiful at an affordable price. Supposed to have the density and thickness of the real hair that you would buy. Supposed to be one of a kind. It says it was created by mixing some invented fibers, so you know it's not human hair. It's supposed to be smooth and tangle free. So let's just jump right into it. You guys know the mix. They don't want to see you. They don't want to see you. You want to say hi? Come on. I'll let you talk for a minute. Come on. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Are you going to say hey or you just going to smile? Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Alright, so we all know the spiel with cheap hair. Cheap hair, just cheap hair. You get it, you deal with it, whatever. This review is not paid. This is my honest opinion. I paid for it. The hair was $24.99. So we're going to dive right on into it. I'm going to scoot back a little bit, though. They don't want to hear you. So I've already taken the hair out, made it into a unit. This is her. And she's on Becky. You guys have met Becky before. Alright, so it does have a separate closure that you can buy that is the actual brush hair. It was Bodywave. And this is the hair. It's pretty long. And I just made it into a simple U part that I can take on and off every night. So we're just going to go ahead and throw it on. And I'm going to give you my review as I do my hair. The way that I styled this U part is just so I can easily take it on and off every night so that I can grease my hair. Because I've gone natural and I'm just trying to maintain my hair. So in order for me to be able to do that, I need to be able to reach my hair every night. So the closure, I just put onto a little headband. We all know that little trick right there. And the unit, here is the unit. The unit, it was very good. The hair didn't come out of the pack like this. It was a little bit more curlier. What I did was just to make it more flowy like human hair. I took my straightening brush and I just brushed through the hair. It's heating up right now, so it's not hot, so it's probably going to get tangled. But I just brushed through the hair on a regular. When I take it off, I just put it on my mannequin. I don't sleep with the hair. Because it is a wig, I don't sleep with it. Hey, stop. Because it is a wig, I don't sleep with it. I just take it off when I get ready to put it back on. I just brushed through it. This hair right here was absolutely good. I want to say that when it first came out of the pack, I was scared that it was going to be the same as the other hair I had tried, which was by Shake and Go. Because it kind of felt like that hair. But then once I started playing with this hair and brushing it out and making my wig, the more that the hair bundled up together, then the more the hair became more of a human look than that silky look. So that's that. So I just take the unit basically. Let me take my scarf off first. I ain't doing nothing. But anyways, yeah. So I made the unit in the regular hot glue gun method on the U-part cap that I got from my local beauty supply store. And I just put it on there. My hair is braided down underneath, and I secured it with 2 stocking caps. And I'm just going to take the unit, put it on my head, flip it over, and just secure it and let it shoot. I was going to put an elastic band on this part. I just haven't had the time. I just made the unit yesterday. Right now, I just got the unit sitting there, and I'm going to slide it up and secure it where I want it to sit on my head. So basically the unit will fall like this, and you can already see it literally looks like bundles. Like, this is probably, since I've been trying the synthetic hair that's out on the market right now, Well, model never seems to disappoint me anyway. I've never had a bad experience with any of model hair. Model hair in the past used to be one of those brands that you would be like, okay, it's cheap hair. Plan to get a lot out of it. Just plan to, wear it a few times and that's it. But this hair has been really good. No issues with it. Don't nobody understand what you saying. Stop. No issues with it. Here. Just tuck the bobby pins on the side. Just move the hair out the way and tuck it. And then pull your hair down to cover it. And there's that. So you see how it flows just like regular bundles. And there was a tangle right there. It was easily to pull it apart just like that. Alright, so on to the closure. The closure is pretty long. You can see it. It had a natural and good part on it. You really didn't have to do much but cut the lace. So I just slide it up and flip it over. Just like that and secure it in place. So on the headband, so I'm going to tuck the headband first. Once I tuck the headband, then I'll start securing the closure down. I really, really like this hair. Like, it's really soft. I've gotten so many compliments on this hair. I put the hair in and I went out. And I got so many compliments already on the hair. Like, the hair looks absolutely amazing. Like, it literally looks like, if you do a really good install, then it really, really looks like a bundle. Like, for real, it really looks like bundles. I like to hide a bobby pin right here through the closure just to keep the back from messing up because we did do that little flip over method with the closure on the elastiband. So just to keep it from flipping that way, we'll do it that way and it's done. Here you don't need to put product on the hair. Basically just wear the hair as is. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take my scarf and tie it down, and that's it. So again, here's the hair, the closure. It looks really, really real. You can see where my closure is looking. I'm gonna take some Got2b and put it there, and that'll be it. But yeah, so this is the hair. It's really, really long. You guys can see it goes past my boobs, like literally past my boobs. I almost at my butt. I'm 5'7", and it's maybe like this much away from my butt, and that's 28 inches. So it's true to length. It's really, really soft. It's really good. Not a lot of maintenance that you have to do. This is probably one of the best synthetic brands out right now that I would absolutely recommend you going out to buy. So I do want to thank you guys for watching this video. I'm getting ready to get ready for work, and this was my honest review on the Model Gardenia Mastermix. So if there's any other hair out that you guys would like me to review, or if you guys recommend that I try, let me know down in the comment section below. I want to try some curly hair just because curly hair is not my thing, but I need to know what's the best curly hair that doesn't require that much maintenance. I know curly hair does require maintenance, but I just want to know basically just some good curly hair that I could try that would be easy to maintain. I'm a body wave that can be combed out, or a straight person. Body wave, I just like it because, once you comb it out and it gives it this look, it gives it more body. Like, y'all see how this hair is just flowing? Like, this is also what caught me with the hair, because it's flowing like real hair. So, but again, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. If you've tried this hair, let me know your opinion on it. If you've seen this hair, if you haven't seen this hair in your beauty supply store. And again, let me know what other hair you guys would like to see me try. So, thank you guys again for watching. Bye.